Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on Tabbed View Widgets. Let's walk through how to create a widget using this feature. First, open the Settings menu and go to the Advanced tab. In this tab, enable the Tabbed Widget View option. Then, select the desired widget from the drop-down or list. Once done, click on Save Tab Widget Settings to generate the shortcode and apply your changes. Place the shortcode on your page, save it, and then check the front end to see the result. View the page on the front end, and you'll see the widget displayed in a tabbed layout. It will have filter and load more functionality, and everything should be working properly as expected, providing a smooth user experience. That's it for creating the Tabbed View widget in Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In the next video, we'll explore how to display reviews for WooCommerce. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact support if you need help.